Hello guys, welcome to Rudra Educational and Miscellaneous World. In this video, I am going to cover a topic. The name of the topic is radar. Okay, let's begin with the topic. As you can see, this is the radar. Radar is an acronym and it stands for Radiation Detection and Ranging. As we know, a radar set needs the same basic set of components. Something to generate radio waves, something to send them out into space or air, something to receive them, and some means of displaying information so the radar operator can quickly understand it. Okay. Now, first of all, radar are of two types: primary radars and secondary radars. Secondary surveillance radar. Primary radar only detects the object but do not give complete information about the target or object. But secondary radars detects and also gives complete information about the object or target, unknown target, such as speed, location, and full identity. You can say full identity of the target. Most of the places both are used, but nowadays secondary radar is mostly used. Everywhere you can see airport, station. You can also um, see it on the road as traffic radar, air, and so on. A lot of advanced radar have been introduced, as we can see. Okay, now radar system uses RF for detecting a target, unknown target, and find out the range, velocity, and angle of the target. Generally, a radar finds out these things, but nowadays a lot of advanced radar have been introduced, so we can find out the whole identity of the target, unknown target. Okay, let's understand the basic concept of radar. How does the radar work? As I said, it's a set of components. You can see here, this is the picture of installed radar. You can clearly see in this picture. Okay, let's begin with the radar. Basic concept of radar. There is an installed antenna and the set of radar. We need a source to generate radio waves, and this is the source, magnetron. Okay, and this is a magnetron through which electromagnetic waves are generated. Okay, and after that we need to spread these waves into 360 degree, or you can say in all direction, for which there is a transmitter. This is a transmitter. You can see in this picture, this is the transmitter which spread the waves in all directions through antenna. Antenna is working as transmitter actually. As we know, radiation or beams doesn't need medium to travel, and the speed of the radiation is equal to the speed of light. Okay, and when the radiation strike with the moving object, you can see radio waves is generating through antenna and strike with the unknown target. Maybe it's moving object or static. Okay, and strike with the object, and some of beams, you can say, rebound. Some of beams rebound to the and reach to the receiver. This is the receiver with information, and after this information is displayed on the screen. This is the screen. Okay, magnetron source, it is doing as source of radio waves, electromagnetic waves, you can say radio frequency. And this is the transmitter is transmitter. Okay, antenna is working as transmitter. Okay, and this is the duplexer. And receiver gets information, and after processing it is shown on the screen. Okay, most of the radar use single antenna in order to transmit as well as receive, with very high power transmitters and very sensitive receiver. That is a front end which can, like this, okay, which can take care of connect and disconnect functionalities, and this has become possible only due to duplexer, and which works as transmit or receive switch. Duplexer, the duplexer, transmit or receive switch means it connects the transmitter to the antenna and disconnect the receiver during the sending period, and it connects the receiver to the antenna and disconnect the transmitter during the receiving period. That means it provides sufficient isolation between transmitter and receiver at all the times. Yeah, and some terms which is related to this range. Actually, radar finds out the target about all, getting all information about the target, which is range, angle, and velocity. Range means, range, you know, range, you can see range of the target is determined by calculating time traveled from radar to the target, and velocity, the speed in which something moves in a particular direction. Okay, and range, you know, this is the range, distance of going and coming of the range. This is the range. Okay, so this was the radar, and this is the penetration power of radar. If you like this video, please press the big thumb. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and listening.